Chainsaws fail. Trees fall wrong. Chaos follows. Welcome to the wildest tree cutting fails on YouTube, where logging goes horribly wrong. Every single time.
He launched the tree onto the roof on purpose. One cut, one toss, roof shattered. What was he thinking? Tree snapped sideways, straight at him. He ran like crazy. Lucky escape, or lucky fool. Two guys shook the tree, hard. The top said thanks, and landed square on one guy's head. One cut, one crash, branch smacked the ladder. Gravity took care of the rest. His chainsaw bit in, and stayed there. Now it's a permanent part of the tree. Perfect notch, perfect wedge, but the tree just froze halfway. Even trees get cold feet. They pushed it like heroes. The tree pushed back, branch to the skull. Nature wins. Family drove through a carved tree tunnel. Beautiful. Until they got stuck. Who made this trap? Dead tree? Not anymore. He cut it once. And boom! It shattered like glass. The tree dropped hard, right beside the parked cars. No scratches, but someone just aged 5 years. One cut, and trees drop like dominoes. Cool, until the last one leaned toward traffic. Tree split in half mid-fall. One chunk nailed his head. Safety helmet? Never heard of it. Boom! Tree hit a moving car. Pollen everywhere. Visibility 0. Massive trunk slammed down, flattened the car like soda can. Tree dropped into a parked tractor. Steel bent. Trees fight back. Remember? He thought he could steer it by hand. Cute. Tree landed square on the roof. Nailed it, literally. One bad cut, and the whole house paid. Timber tax, due immediately. The giant tree slammed the building, no damage. But the crane? Lifted clean off the ground. Plot twist. A clean cut turned dirty fast. Tree crushed the porch. His face? Pure regret. One wrong cut. Boom. The tree crushed the house like cardboard. Brutal. Tree veered off. Slammed into the house. Painfully predictable. Tree collapsed onto the roof. Shingles shattered. Frame bent. That'll cost more than the tree job. Another house. Another fall. Tree didn't miss. She cut the branch. It hit the ladder. Down she went. Chopping frozen branches with an axe, at -10 degrees Celsius. He's not cold, he's committed. That rope pull was laser precise. Missed by half a degree? Say goodbye to the 8C unit. Rope tight, gear locked, cuts clean. This guy handled city trees like a pro. Not one leaf out of place. A 90-foot giant going down in slow motion. Beautiful and terrifying. Who says pretty girls can't split wood? She's got form and power. Tree fell perfectly into the house. Too perfect. Insurance fraud level 100. He sliced a giant log, then sparks flew. Surprise! An old iron nail still hidden inside. The splitter met its match. That log was too thick, machine choke. Operator wrestled. In the damp, slippery forest, he approached a massive black oak. No talk, no music, just a steady 592 XP and surgical cuts. One mistake here could mean a broken spine. He preps the giant oak with surgical precision. The 572 XP cuts clean. Hydraulic jack in place. One nudge, one shift, and the beast begins to fall, just as planned. The Mississippi 661 tears into the fur, 91cc carving through a 1.2-meter beast. The jack follows. Pressure builds. Then the bark splits, and the giant falls like it was born to. Lamb Samura meets still power. 36 inches of oak melt away. No shake, no fight, just motion, precise and fluid. This isn't cutting wood, it's choreography. The oak stood tall, over 80 feet of history. One sharp notch, one final cut, and it crashed clean. No break, he kept cutting. The Mississippi 462 sliced. Logs rolled like clockwork. They don't just cut trees. They read them. If that fall gave you chills, wait till you see what's coming next. Subscribe, and don't blink.